Your roof plays a critical role in protecting your home, your belongings, and your family. While some roofing issues are obvious, others can quietly worsen over time, leading to costly repairs if ignored. Knowing when to call professional roofing services can help prevent small problems from turning into major damage. For homeowners in Macomb, recognizing these warning signs early can save time, stress, and money. Visible damage to shingles or roofing materials. One of the clearest signs that your roof needs professional attention is visible damage. Missing, cracked, curling, or loose shingles can leave your roof vulnerable to leaks and further deterioration. In Macomb homes, damaged roofing materials often signal that professional inspection and repair are needed to restore proper protection. Water stains or leaks inside the home. Water stains on ceilings or walls are a strong indicator of roofing issues. Even small leaks can lead to mold growth, structural damage, and interior repairs if not addressed promptly. For Macomb homeowners, interior water signs usually mean it's time to contact roofing professionals to locate and fix the source before it worsens. Sagging or uneven roof lines. A sagging roof line is a serious warning sign that should never be ignored. It can indicate underlying structural issues, trapped moisture, or long-term damage. In Macomb homes, a roof that appears uneven or dips in certain areas requires immediate professional evaluation to prevent further risk. Frequent need for repairs. If you find yourself scheduling roof repairs repeatedly, it may be a sign that patchwork fixes are no longer effective. Constant repairs often indicate deeper issues that require professional solutions. For Macomb homeowners, ongoing repair needs suggest it's time for a thorough roofing assessment rather than another temporary fix. Rising energy bills without explanation. A failing roof can impact insulation and ventilation, causing heating and cooling systems to work harder than necessary. This often leads to higher energy bills. In Macomb homes, unexplained increases in energy costs can point to roofing problems that professionals can identify and correct. Excessive granules in gutters. Granules protect roofing materials from sun exposure and wear. Finding large amounts of granules in gutters or around the home indicates that shingles are deteriorating. For Macomb homeowners, this is a sign that roofing materials are aging and may need professional attention. Mold, moss, or algae growth. Mold or moss growth on a roof suggests trapped moisture, which can accelerate damage. These growths can also affect the roof's ability to drain water properly. In Macomb, professional roofing services can safely address moisture issues and prevent further damage to the roof structure. Storm or weather-related damage. Severe weather can cause damage that isn't always immediately visible. High winds, heavy rain, or hail can loosen materials and weaken protective layers. After major weather events, Macomb homeowners should consider professional roofing inspections to catch hidden damage early. Roof age. Reaching its expected lifespan. All roofs have a limited lifespan. As a roof ages, materials naturally degrade and become less effective. For Macomb homes, approaching or exceeding the expected lifespan of a roof is a strong reason to consult roofing professionals about next steps. Peace of mind comes from professional expertise. Professional roofing services provide expert assessments, quality workmanship, and long-term solutions. Rather than guessing or delaying action, homeowners benefit from clear guidance and reliable repairs. For Macomb residents, trusting experienced roofing professionals ensures their home remains protected and secure. Knowing when to call makes all the difference. Recognizing the signs that your roof needs professional attention can prevent costly damage and extend the life of your home. From visible wear to hidden leaks and rising energy costs, these warning signs shouldn't be ignored. For homeowners in Macomb, professional roofing services offer the expertise needed to protect your home and maintain long-term peace of mind.